ki khubor ka BTC TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but 6% ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
ka jing hikai sojan kaya per nak benta gitu gi badang sedang bat nak benta gitu gi balakam tebet kata kadai ka basic dressmaking but ka advanced dressmaking hang ni apo ITI women Shillong kidon baro artli gi jing hikai kawai kadai nak benta gitu kena badang sedang kumno ban nang ban ot lani ban khap igi jain ban board igi pattern ban board dak ban su igi jain gi besuk kawai pada kadai nak benta gitu berlepas ya ka basic dressmaking but kibanang beteng sya ka advanced dressmaking menta ka kenti hang ni ngini khmi shwa sya ka kamra hikai su jan ka ba jing puli ka long kumno ban draw pan wandur ban thau ban khap ya ka jan bat ban su ya ki jan phong ki ba kham su kumju ru ban panon kam ya ki kor su jan Day hang ni bagi kena puli ki yo ya ke jing nang bat ke jing syampang ya ke nong rim kenang balada ki don kamon bat yo kalat kin beteng ban pentebit Shuh ban nong yo buat ki bakam jeliu hagane ka kam.
This is the sample file that you have done. Actually, when they come and then study here, they have to learn the basic stitches first.
Okay.
Basic stitches. And then the different types of necklines and different components of garments.
Kabanang kong hi kalong bandro hagini ki kot hadian baladep thau bin pa bin. Kasimpor ban nang ban thau bat draw. Onda kila dep ban thau bat draw. Kin sayo ban su ya ki jan hagi rukom ba per.
Different types of stitches, temporary stitches, permanent stitches, decorative stitches, pleats, seams, plackets, fasteners, pockets, necklines, smokings, tucks, all these things they have to learn first. After learning this only, so like when they do this, they have to attach the sample on the other side and then the description on the other side. This is how they do.
Okay.
These are the samples. And I'll show you some of the samples that they did. This is the smoking. These are the necklines, smoking, different types of smokings. They need to learn all this. This comes under surface ornamentation. They have to learn all this.
Okay. These are tucks.
Yeah, tucks. Different types of tucks with the description. No, actually before stitching a garment, they need to do the drafting first. Drafting is the technical drawing. They need to learn the drafting, and then after doing the drafting, they have to do the drafting on the paper. That is called paper pattern. They have to make the paper pattern first, and then paper pattern will be placed on top of the fabric, and they will do the tracing, cutting, then only they will stitch. This is how we teach the students.
Kabanang kong kalong ban draw bat su yagi sample kum ki neckline, ki sleeve, ki tuck, ki pleats, bat ki way, shua bakin su yagi jain pura.
There are many garments like, starting from baby frock, choli blouse, and then gents shirt, gents trouser, all these things they get to stitch once they are done with the sample. But before stitching the final garment, they have to learn the drafting, draping, manipulation, all these subjects they have to learn. Then only side by side they have to do the stitching. When they do the stitching is not easy because they have to learn the drafting first. When drafting is nothing, it's just a technical drawing, but they have to maintain the separate file for drafting. And then after doing drafting, they have to do the paper pattern. After making pattern only, they have to place the pattern on top of the fabric and do the cutting and then finally stitching.
Ki don bon ki khna ki batrang ban yo jing hikai hagane ka lain henrei ka bas ngusi ka long ban nabenta ka wei ka batch jing hikai ka basisnem lapdiang tang arphongut
The students of this batch are very attentive. They are very regular also. Like they already have finished more than 6 months, but they are very regular and no dropout. And previously in the previous batch also, all of my students passed. None of them failed. We conduct internal exams like tests. We give monthly tests, and then we give some samples for them to stitch during the training, and then we evaluate, and then we give the marks for sessional marks.
Kumba sispa ngot ki apply man lau snem kabala penlong ye ki nong penyai hang ni ban syam jing ban jiet kat kum ka jing la bat ka jing kloi jong ki khna ban kem ye ki jing hikai hadien kata ki khna ki haban let ye ka counseling ban pensngo to ye ki baga attendance hang ni Donkam la kumno prapo percent kumta Donkam bakin minat hagani ka jing hikai
Wat la ka course ha ka basic dressmaking kadai ka ba sisnem nrei kidang don ki phang ki bayar bat ki badang sa kumta onda ki khna ki la pendep ya kani ka course ha ka basic dressmaking kila ken banjit la kidang Kwah na em bandang beteng Shuh ban kham betebet ha kani ka kam kumba I miss rupachi laong ba kumba khandai pho na ki sispa ki khna ki ba puli hang ni kidang shim ya kalat kidang shim ya kani ka kabu ban beteng sya ka advanced dressmaking
kini ki khna jungi kilong ki badon bok bagi yo kani kalat na kani ka state government jungi bat kadai tang hang ni hapo Meghalaya hi ba kadon kani ka advanced course hapo ITI bat ya kani ka course las dang ha usnem khat khandai phungriu kadai ka sining kong bikis dang bat kani kalong kumta haba phile ya ka basic course nga kumanga ong kalong kabayar ti ki khna kim pat dayo sibun kita kijing hikai henry da kijing dan jong kani ka advance course kila ayo ban kampen tibet Shuh ya ladi namar kijing hikai hang ni po advance course kamlong Shuh kata ka bangi ong baik ka basulong basic abalong basic kamot ka basulong baik basu hikai baik iway is simple dress lani ino skirt I basulong simple henry ka hang ni ka bangi ngile kalong kala kamlong complex
laong bagi kena sisien bagi ladep ya kani ka course kim Donkam Shuh ban late syaka OJT kabamut bakindang Donkam ban syahikai pentebet nrei leng bagani ka advanced dressmaking course bon gi kena kila late pai syala ki jong gi snong ban sengkam lajong
pi kini ki kena mental ra ki Shuh pas bai tang ka course ti kalong ka bajenjar ya ki kindang artatien kindang Donkam ban syahikai lani le kin hab ban lek pat sekini ki on job training ti nrei kat nu ka jing hikai kin yo nang kitu ki on job training namar belai ki wei ki briu kin tiang em ba kin ai kini ki khna ki bampat dan kata ka jing tem ti ka jing lut kesan kan long ka babuan henrei hang ni pan nalor bangila don pagi kino hikai ki ban yalam ya ki ban guide ya ki ti nalor kata pat kalong free niyo free ke jai
hoi ki wei ki course hang ni ki dei ki bala penya daga National Council for Vocational Training henrei ka advanced dressmaking course kumbala batai ba wat la ka dei jong jela ya ki exams lawan ban penya dagi banabar kiba omhap ban register bat ka NCVT bat ya ki certificate la ai da ka state
ni buon bah ki khna jungi da philek keleng philek jayao philek mau khar philek mau lai buon bah ki khna bat ki nong kandong ru lamar ba buon ki khna ru ki ban ni ki di outskirts le ni ki nong kandong ki wan lut hang ni bat ki buon na ki kindala li pai sila ki jong ki snong ru kila seng la ka jong te de gimbo dukan ru hayeng ki sim orders baik
ka NCVT ka dei ka board penyat bakong san jong gari India na ka benta ka jing hikai kam la seng ya ka haus nem arjar kat pra ban pentikna ya ka jingba bat ka jinglong bet long renti hapo kari ka ba penle jingmut ban thau ya ki kendon bat ban bot dien ya ka jing tre kam jong ki kenhon ba pher ki ba don benta ha ka jing hikai kam kat ba ka State Council for Vocational Training pat ka penya nadong syadong kum ha ki exam na ka benta kini ki khna
tikat ba ka ni ka State Council pat ka exams pat kile hang ni hi ti dan kipuar bakile online dan kipuar pat bakile bet hang ni po institute hi ti ki examiner pat ru ki wan hi ki panambar hi ti kim dan kampat pan register shi nomor baka certificate ki yo nang ni hi kadai ba penyat tang state
Kiba bon hi ki kena ki bala pas nang ni ki la la ban su ya bon jat ki jan pong kum ki jan ya tho shong kurim ki don kat tu kat ni ki scheme ki bagi tu ki bum kot bor ban sengkam la jong ki la ban apply bat ka institution ru ka jiarap hagani galiang
ki kena ki babon kim don bor tang bagin thi ki kor su jai ti ting ding long kala chukut no kum tu te la kim don ka kor su jai ye ki hap shu shong hap shu ap ban lano ban yo kum kata kalat ti bakin yo man thi ki kor in thi ki tiar ki ba dei bakin penan kam kan ti long ka ka jing snow jonga ka long ba ka jing so ba ngas ngok man kerpat ya kanika government kan lada dan badan kum kita kena lada kala ka Sorkar bukan penmino tang UAE production center ru kenang bang kini ki kena jongi ki papas bat ki bampat dan lat nala dia at least kin yo ban tray ha gitu ki production center teh